Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video that was requested by one of my subscribers, and it is a beautiful rendition of a classic type of Christmas tree that maybe is going to bring in a little bit of some unexpected color palettes together, and there's certainly going to be something that you may have some of already at home, but we're going to explore using these in a different way today. And the nice thing about it, guys, is I have all the items that you see displayed in this video today linked in the description below, so you can consider me your personal shopping assistant. It's going to be a lot of fun, so let's get started. In my 16 Christmas tree design series, this is tree number 8, and this is called the Royal Peacock. And so this is such a beautiful, stunning Christmas tree. I cannot wait to dive into how we're going to be putting one of these together. The color palette alone for this Christmas tree is absolutely stunning. And what I want you to do is think about it on that color wheel that we used to have in our class. And I want you to consider all the way from green through to purple. So that side of the color wheel, you can really do anything to accent this Christmas tree that you want to. And so we can certainly go on the other side of like a dark green with a emerald green accent, or we can even go through the teal and the royal blue colors, even to a turquoise accent to that Christmas tree. And even if you wanted to, you could add in a little purple into that Christmas tree. And so if you stay in that kind of range on the color wheel, it's going to be a really beautiful rendition of this Christmas tree. Now the perfect accent to this kind of color range is going to be gold. And in general, guys, gold is a really nice accent to a Christmas tree in most cases. So if you ever run into a situation where you find gold on sale somewhere, maybe after Christmas, it's probably a good ornament selection to pick up, because it's going to match many of the styles and selections that you want to create. Now this Christmas tree is based mainly on the beautiful peacock feather and the eye of the peacock feather, which has that really nice royal blue and turquoise and even that purple metallic shimmer that comes in there. And so this is something that in feng shui is actually something that's supposed to draw protection, wealth, and good fortune. And incidentally enough, the perfect place to put peacock feathers is in the living room, where most of us place our Christmas trees. So this is a great Christmas tree to put into your house with this theme, especially when you're going to be ushering in the new year not too long after. So you're kind of creating a very peaceful and harmonious environment, getting ready to set up into that new year. So how do we create this kind of style? One of the nice things about a lot of the Christmas tree styles that we've been talking about is we can go in with a basic green Christmas tree, and this makes it very versatile that you can then reuse these Christmas trees throughout the years for multiple styles if you're somebody who likes to change it up a bit. So there's many options here, and these have nice modern appearances to them, and I can recommend any of these. Moving into the ribbon, this is something certainly that we see. There's a lot of options for this type of Christmas tree. So I have some beautiful sheer glitter ribbon, as well as some very nice teal ribbon that have these nice glitter peacock feathers on them. If you wanted to add an emerald touch to your Christmas tree, you could go in with some emerald green ribbon with a glitter. If you like more the teal version of this Christmas tree, I did find a nice velvet teal ribbon that has just an elegant texture to it, just very sophisticated fabrics that we're dealing with there. Also, if you wanted to go in with purple accent to your Christmas tree, you could consider a purple velvet. One of my favorite options that I found was this chiffon ruffle, and this is not actually for Christmas trees, but you guys know that I don't always select items for Christmas tree use that are for Christmas trees. I like to go outside the box and find interesting textures, and this is certainly one of those things because it has an iridescent blue and purple appearance to it that I think leans itself perfectly into this Christmas tree and will add a very nice texture. And then again, in the texture realm, I also found a very nice teal crinkle ribbon that's going to be able to bring in that visual interest to the Christmas tree. As far as garland goes, these golden beads are somewhat of a classic that you'll be able to use in multiple Christmas tree designs, so these might be a staple that are worth having. With regards to picks, now certainly the main one to consider are the peacock feathers, but you may want to think about, for you, what is something that you feel comfortable with, because just as a side note, peacock feathers can be artificial or they can be real, and so depending on the provider that you look for your peacock feathers, you know, whether they are humanely established or not, because certainly peacocks shed these feathers, but there's going to be people who abuse these things no matter what. So it's important to look into where you're purchasing your peacock feathers, and also to establish for yourself what's something that you feel comfortable with. So I leave that up to you, but the peacock feathers is something that is going to be your main design element of the Christmas tree. And so I did include a couple of interesting dyed blue and purple options, which I thought were a little bit more unique by adding in that color component to the Christmas tree, either through the stems or through the feathers themselves. And of course, it would depend a little bit on how you're planning on accenting your Christmas tree as to what type of feather you would choose when it comes to color. The teal ostrich feathers would be stunning to help top off the Christmas tree in a very full and beautiful Christmas tree topper. And then I did find some other feathers that were very interesting and are going to add some nice visual appeal to your Christmas tree. The rooster tail feathers, some ombre turkey feathers, as well as some of these artificial blue feathers. Now, if you want something that's definitely your quintessential Christmas, this peacock poinsettia is a really nice option, because poinsettias in a Christmas tree are perfect. And this one here is actually developed to specifically accent and complement that design. So this is a very nice option. I personally also really like this teal magnolia, because I think if I was doing this Christmas tree, I would go in the teal component of this and the monochromatic element with some gold Christmas picks. And gold Christmas picks are great because you can get those after the season, get them on sale, and you can accent so many Christmas tree designs with them. They're just something good to have on stock in your house for Christmas tree designs and just Christmas decorating in general. When looking at the ornaments, you could consider, if you would like, to put in a nice little peacock bird rendition. They have these really nice options that kind of make it look like you would have a couple of peacocks perched throughout your Christmas tree, and they are quite sweet to look at. If you would like more of a color rendition with these nice snowflakes, I think these are quite beautiful with that purple and teal variation in there. Even having a couple of specialty ornaments like the glass peacocks, you don't need to go overboard with those, but to have a couple in and throughout the Christmas tree just to add a little bit of that visual interest, I think is definitely going to be nice to look at. And of course, I saw Santa holding a peacock, so that definitely had to be included into this Christmas tree because that is very unique. But a little bit more on the color scheme is, for example, these very intricate peacock eggs, which add a nice, elegant touch and something that's going to be very visually appealing. Or something that's going to even add that nice glitter effect, similar to how you see that sheen on the eye of a peacock feather with these glitter ball sequin ornaments is going to lend itself nicely to that theme. And funny enough, they even have ombre packs already pre-made because this is somewhat of a popular theme, so that you can actually buy an ornament pack that has all the ombre colors in them with the gold accent. So you know that this is something that is just really popular. Now to top off this Christmas tree, I have found this really beautiful peacock glitter star, and I think this is such a nice piece. You could even bulk up that star with a little bit of ribbon if you wanted to, even some picks, or you could let it shine on its own. I found a blue star that is quite nice. They would accent your Christmas tree depending on your color palette, and even these jumbo blue poinsettias in the blue or even in the purple would be quite beautiful on your tree, again depending a little bit on how you decide you want to accent your Christmas tree. And if you got some of those large ostrich feathers, those are also a nice way to finish out the top of your Christmas tree. When it comes to the skirts, there was a very interesting peacock feather skirt that I thought was nice, where they have actual peacock feathers stacked up and around that. You could do a really beautiful royal blue collar on the Christmas tree. I think collars have a really elegant appearance. Or you could try something like my favorite, which is doing fabric draping on a Christmas tree, and you could attempt this with a nice sequin type of pattern that's going to give that little bit of glam effect to the Christmas tree. I could go in with an ombre silk on this, which would be a really elegant look to it, and that ombre has both the colors shining depending on which way you're looking at it, or even in something luxurious like a velvet fabric. And so depending on how much you want to spend on that, you could certainly give this a very glamorous and elegant touch. And if you want to learn how to drape a fabric Christmas tree, you could check out my video on how to do that, because it's definitely a skill that can be really nice adding fabric into a Christmas tree. And one other thing I found that I wanted to mention to you, I just found this wreath with all the peacock feathers that I thought was really nice as well. So you could put this over a fireplace next to this Christmas tree just to accent it and give a little bit of styling to the surrounding area, because I do very much like to set the scene for my Christmas trees, so making sure that the surrounding area complement the Christmas tree, and so sometimes you'll see me adding in throw pillows or pictures or things like that that kind of help accent it. But I wanted to share the wreath with you because I thought this was a nice touch for this video. And certainly there are so many things that I could add to that. I mean, if you would look up peacock pillowcases or peacock pictures or whatever, you could go crazy with that. But I wanted to just kind of give you a sampling of some of the things that you could do. This tree is quite stunning, and it's going to be a great way to bring in that protection, wealth, and good fortune for you, especially going into the new year. So I hope that you found this tree quite beautiful, and I would be very interested to hear in the comments below. If you like the Christmas tree, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.